I love working for Brookfield because of the sense of community. Whether I'm out on site or I'm in the office, I'm always surrounded by friends.
I like working for Brookfield because of its culture, the core values. There's always a smiling face, and everyone's open and welcoming.
I like working at Brookfield because I get to do what I love to do and be outside in this beautiful weather.
I love working in a place where I can build exactly what we're supposed to build for customers.
I love working for Brookfield because of the wonderful people and the great breakfast.
We love to work at Brookfield because we love to work together.
The best part about this job is I get to, when Alan's away, pretend I am Alan and invite my family and friends over and pretend this is my office and make calls and everything. Oh, hello. Mm-hmm. Oh, thank you. But seriously, the best part of working at Brookfield is, for me, the people. All the people in the management are great. Everyone I work with is great.